Since the dawn of time, a ring has symbolized one person's union to another. For over 120 years, the Olympic rings have symbolized mankind's desire to unite in the platform of both performance and sport. In the beginning, the modern Olympics had athletes representing only 14 countries. Flash forward to 2018 Winter Olympics, there are over 50,000 athletes from over 100 different countries. The Olympics have become a fixture in many homes, communities, and countries. NBC stated that after the 2016 Summer Olympics, there were over 198 million people who watched in total. Now, as the Games have just begun again, and the world prepares for another 2 weeks of excitement, understanding more about the Games and their meaning will provide a better insight into the Games. To begin, let me go over the historical significance of the Games. The modern Olympic Games began in 1896. However, before those Games, there were the ancient Olympic Games. They began in 1776 BC and were held in Olympia, Greece. These games were participated in by males who lived in Greek city-states and colonies. They were a celebration of the human body. And in the very first game, Olympic game, there was only one event, which was the foot race. Over time, there became more events. However, flash forward to the modern day Olympics. As I said, they began in 1896. They originally started off with male athletes only. There were 43 events. However, by the next Olympic Games, which was 4 years later, there were over twice as many events, and this time, almost quadruple how many athletes there were the first time, and this time there were also female participants. The third Olympic Games also marked the first time that gold, silver, and bronze were given out. They occur every 4 years. However, they do alternate every 2 years. So there are summer in 2 years, and then 2 years later, there'll be the Winter Olympics. Before we get to the countries and the sports, Olivia, would you please light the torch for us and give us a little background history on the torch and the flame?